Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to talk about a complete tissue fixation and cryoprotection protocol using paraformaldehyde and sucrose, specifically designed for preparing animal tissues for cryosectioning. Let's get started. So, in first step, you euthanize the mice via cervical dislocation, make a midline incision to split the skin and expose the abdominal region. Carefully isolate the testes and place them into a dish filled with PBS to wash away blood and debris. Next, remove the surrounding adipose tissue and peel away the tunica albuginea when you work with testes. Next step is 4% paraformaldehyde. Place the isolated tissues into histology cassettes. Transfer the cassettes into a flask containing 4% paraformaldehyde. Seal the flask tightly with parafilm and incubate it overnight in a cold room on a laboratory shaker to ensure proper fixation. Next step is cryoprotection using 15% and 30% sucrose. First of all, remove the cassettes from the 4% paraformaldehyde and wash them 3 times with PBS to remove fixative. Next, transfer the tissues into a vial filled with 15% sucrose solution. Store the vial in the cold room until the tissues sink to the bottom. This takes 6 to 24 hours. Once the tissue sinks in 15% sucrose, transfer it into 30% sucrose. Again, store at 4 degrees centigrade until the tissue sinks. This time it may take 24 to 48 hours. When the tissue is fully submerged, cryoprotection is complete. Next step is equilibration and infiltration. First, remove tissues from the 30% sucrose solution and place them on absorbent paper to remove excess cryoprotectant. Then transfer tissues into a mixture of 15% sucrose and OCT compound. Then incubate them for 30 to 45 minutes to allow them proper infiltration. Next step is cryomold embedding. Choose a cryomold that fits your sample size and label it clearly. After that, add a thin base layer of OCT and pre-freeze it using a cold box or liquid nitrogen. After that, place your tissue on the frozen base and making sure the orientation is correct for sectioning. Fill the rest of the mold with OCT, avoiding bubbles, and freeze completely. Your sample is now ready for cryosectioning and you can store them at -18. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.